Zacoe Performance has introduced a new body kit for the Lamborghini Huracan, Sant'Agata Bolognese's smallest supercar offering. It's more than a body kit, as the tuning company has developed restyled components that create an aggressive look. The hood, for example, has been redesigned with a geometric structure. The lower part of the fascia incorporates carbon fiber add-ons, which, says Zacoe, harmonizes with the original car's front contours. The tuner says this creates a futuristic aesthetic that surpasses what Lamborghini did with the original. A brave choice of words, and while we may disagree, there's no denying the Huracan has been transformed into an attention-grabbing machine. Using computer-aided design, Zacoe could craft the widebody front fenders without impacting the door-opening angle. It's a functional kit with carefully placed air intakes channeling air to all the right places. The vents quickly disperse heat from the brakes, keeping them cool and ensuring stopping performance is optimized. The Fusion Runner, as Zacoe Performance calls it, channels a cyberpunk design aesthetic at the rear. The angular fenders of the stock Huracan Evo have made way for a more rounded look, with the fenders stretching outwards in an arrowhead shape. A fixed ducktail spoiler contributes to the aggressive rear end, along with the fins positioned behind the wheels. The ducktail provides increased downforce and, according to the tuner, lends the Lambo the appearance of a spacecraft from a sci-fi movie. MV forged Aero Plus wheels finish the look nicely, while the FI aftermarket exhaust, with a Valvetronic system, has been trimmed with forged carbon fiber tips. This isn't just another extroverted kit. Zacoe wants to celebrate design trends exclusive to IC vehicles, with the Fusion Runner serving as a link between gas-powered cars and EVs. The overall design of this EVO is a platform for exploring the clash between reason and emotion, drawing inspiration from the spirit of cyberpunk and employing tradition to challenge the future, said Zacoe's chief designer. This is also why we designed the roof scoop, as this element will become extinct in the future of electric cars, they added. If you're interested in getting an up-close look at the Fusion Runner Huracan, Zacoe will have the vehicle on display at SEMA 2023, where showgoers can find it at the MV Forged booth. Lamborghini has officially closed the order books for the V10-powered machine, making it the last non-hybrid supercar to leave the Lamborghini factory. Zacoe isn't the only tuner that has whipped up a body kit for the Huracan. Novatech introduced a carbon fiber kit for the Huracan Technica. If your tastes are more eccentric, Liberty Walk also offers an imposing kit for the baby Lambo.